Looking for a reliable travel bag? The Columbia Landroamer 60L Duffel is built for weekend getaways, camping, and even longer trips. With its spacious 60-liter capacity, you'll have plenty of room for clothes, shoes, and travel essentials. It also features multiple carry handles and stowable shoulder straps, so you can use it as a duffel, or wear it like a backpack for added convenience. The bag is made with durable TPU-coated polyester and a tough ballistic nylon bottom, making it resistant to wear and ideal for rough travel. Compression straps help keep your load secure, while an external zippered pocket gives you quick access to smaller items. Plus, it packs into its own pocket for easy storage when not in use. The only downside is that it doesn't have wheels, so carrying a fully loaded bag over long distances can get tiring. But overall, if you want a rugged, versatile, and well-built travel duffel, the Columbia Landroamer 60 liters is an excellent choice. I'd rate it 9 out of 10 for its durability, storage, and overall value.